This is google.com/analytics, and once you open up the homepage, you'll see this everyman. Google Analytics is important because you want to make sure that your SEO efforts, all the stuff that you're doing here in the course, is actually bringing more people to your site, increasing your sales. So you want to be able to test everything. You want to see how many people are clicking on your links, how many people are buying from you. And Google Analytics tracks pretty much everything. So once you're on the page, click Access Google Analytics. If you have a Google account already, you're probably already signed in. And then at that point, you would just click Sign Up. If you don't have an account, you would create one and then you'd go back to the same screen. You can choose either a website or a mobile application. And then you just enter an account name and then a name for your website. And then you're going to put the web address that you want to track. So then you pick a category and then your time zone. And down at the bottom here, all four of these will be checked off. The top three are okay for me. I usually uncheck the Google salespeople because then they'll try to sell you stuff based on the information they get from you. And then you'll have to agree to all of those big words. Sometimes it won't show you, like it won't let you scroll down. So just click on the left button there that says OK. So now you have your tracking code. I'm going to show you two ways of setting this up. One, if you're comfortable not really playing around with your code, but pasting stuff into the code on your page. If you go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard menu, you go down to Editor. You're going to paste this code above your header. If you've ever read an article on SEO or worked with a piece of code that you had to paste into your website, you might have heard them say paste it above your header. Now in Editor, if you scroll down, you'll see something called the header. And if you click on that, it's going to show you a bunch of code, but I'm going to hold Control and hit F, the find option. And I'm going to type in the less than sign / head. So you'll see it up in the top right. And that's the header. Right, you want to paste this code above the headers. So you'll see it right there. And you're just going to take that piece of code and paste it in there. So now you have Google Analytics on your page, and you would just click Update File. Now, if you're not comfortable doing that and you think maybe I'll screw something up with my page, there's an alternative method. There's a plugin for this. There's a plugin for everything. So you go over to the menu and you would click Add New if you don't have this one already. And then you would search for Google Analytics. And it would come up as the top choice. I've already installed it. So you see Google Analytics dashboard for WordPress. You click on Settings. And this automatically inserts the code into your page in case you don't want to mess around with it. So you just click Get Access Code. And then hit Accept. And then you take that code and you go back to your dashboard and you paste it in the box. And then click Save Access Code. So now you have authorization. And you click Update Options. Go back to Google Analytics. Click on Admin up at the top, and you'll see all of your settings here. You can add permissions for other people. If you ever want that tracking code again, you just go to Tracking Info and click on Tracking Code. In the property settings, if you scroll down, you want to change that to all website data, right? Because you want analytics for everything. That allows you to see demographics, age, gender, interest data about your users. You can flick that on. If you click Edit on the Webmaster Tools here, you can link your Google Analytics and Google Webmaster Tools, which makes analyzing the data a lot easier. So you just check the little box, click Save. If you click on Tracking Code, all these should be enabled. We want to change this to Universal Analytics. This is the most updated version of Analytics. And then click Update Options. And that's how to set up Google Analytics and also link it to your Webmaster account.